The power of connection. We see it all around us. Connection creates more power, more adaptability, more efficiency, whether in the natural world or the built one. Today's smart technology brings a new level of intelligence to connected buildings. Systems like HVAC, lighting, and security can be connected on one platform with smart controls providing real-time insights and automation. Connected, smart buildings perform better, respond faster, and run more efficiently. And they're positioned to leverage emerging technologies like AI for even greater efficiencies. Although many buildings are connected, very few are truly smart. With Train, however, buildings of any size, function, or age can become smarter and more efficient. For decades, we've been transforming buildings into intelligent, responsive spaces that provide optimal comfort and performance. Wherever you are in your journey, Train can help you realize the full potential of smart, sustainable buildings, connecting you to a better tomorrow. Discover the power of connection with Train.